Hi there! We're very excited that we will be expanding options for limited classes and services available on campus for fall term and beyond. In order to best serve all of our students and accomplish this in a safe manner and in a way that is comfortable for everyone, we're going to continue to offer various instructional methods. This short video tutorial is to help you understand our new definitions of instructional methods, show you how to search for the method that you want to use, and how to understand all of the class information that's available in the notes. We hope this will provide you with clarity so that you are choosing the instructional method that works the best for you and fits best in your life. So first, what are the different instructional methods that will be available this fall term? Well, there's in-person classes, hybrid classes, remote classes, and online classes. Let's jump into what that all means. In-person classes are probably the instructional method you're most familiar with. You have a scheduled time for class and a scheduled place to be, usually a classroom on campus. You're learning face-to-face with a teacher and your classmates. You'll go to class at a designated time on designated days of the week. However, while you're on a traditional class schedule, you may be expected to log into a variety of online platforms to supplement your on-site learning. You may or may not be familiar with hybrid classes. That's a blend of delivery methods. You meet with your instructor and classmates during scheduled meetings while also completing learning activities online. You'll likely engage in online learning activities before, during, and after in-person classes so you can collaborate with classmates. Check the notes in the note line of the class for the specific details. Sometimes you'll meet for half the class time in person, and sometimes you'll meet one of the days of the week instead of both. So make sure you check the notes. Then there's the traditional online classes. You have a class only online, and it's done on your own time. As long as you meet your instructor's deadlines, you can work any time of the day and from any place you have access to a computer and internet connection. You're able to complete your courses on your own time, no matter where you are. The course content will be delivered through eLearn, our online learning portal. The course will include specific opportunities to engage with your instructor, and there may be times when you interact with classmates through discussion boards or other online channels. Online classes have been around a long time, and you may have already experienced one, so this may already be something you're familiar with. And our newest instructional method would be remote classes. That's what you've been doing most likely if you've been taking classes this last year. They're online classes, but they're at a scheduled time. The class all meets together during scheduled class times using online or web conferencing platforms such as Zoom. You and your instructor are together with your classmates in the same online space, working together in real time. You'll have regularly scheduled meetings and are expected to log in at the designated times. You may also have some additional online learning activities. We look forward to seeing you wonderful students here again on our campus in the fall for the limited classes and services that we do have available for you. Now let's jump into a tutorial on how to search out these different class methods in your MySchemeketa class search. All right then, let's take a look how to search out the different instructional methods. You'll log into your MySchemeketa, and on the Classes tab that comes up first, you'll click on Registration and then Class Search. We're looking for classes for fall 2021 for our purposes. And we're going to select the Yamhill Valley campus to narrow down the location. What we're really looking at here, though, is the instructional method. First, we'll select the remote instruction and search classes. At the Yamhill Valley campus, these classes are being offered via remote instruction. We'll take a look at this History 237, America in the 60s. It's being offered instructional method, remote instruction. It's being taught by Judith Mansfield. It's on Tuesday and Thursday, and for the purposes of scheduling, the times are 12:30 to 2:20. However, you'll notice in the note section here it says the Zoom meetings are Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12:30 to 1:30. So this class isn't being offered on campus at all. It's being offered online via remote live instruction on Zoom. Okay, so the next instructional method that we'll take a look at is the hybrid method. So we search classes, and these classes are being offered hybrid at the Yamhill Valley campus. We'll take a look at this Geo 144, Rivers, Glaciers, and Deserts. This is being offered in a hybrid format. The class scheduled time is Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5:30 to 8:20. The lecture portion of this class, you'll see you have a lecture and a lab, and you have to register for both. The lecture has an optional Zoom meeting, 5:30 to 6:30. The lab, however, is on campus at the Yamhill Valley campus on Thursdays from 5:30 to 8:20. So if you need to, you can show up for the Zoom meeting on Tuesdays for the lecture, and then the lab in person on the Yamhill Valley campus. And if you click this info button here, you'll see that it's meeting at the Yamhill Valley campus in Building 1, room 305 on that Thursday. The next one we'll take a look at is the in-person classes. So fall term, the Yamhill Valley campus is offering these classes fully in person. So we'll select this class to take a look at, and you'll see it's being taught by Shannon Othis Galt in person. The lecture meets on Monday, the lab meets on Wednesday, and you'll see here that in the note section that you have to register for both CRNs, and you'll be meeting at the Yamhill Valley campus Monday and Wednesday from 9 to 11:50. In the additional notes, you'll see that class also meets at the Yamhill Valley campus, Building 1, room 305. And the final instructional method we'll take a look at is the online method. There's lots of classes offered through Chemeketa online, and these classes don't have any notes in the system. So we'll just select one of these classes, and if you look in the notes, it says instructional method online. There are 3 different sections offered of this particular class, and it doesn't meet at any particular time in any location. You'll get online on Canvas whenever or wherever you have computer and internet, and get the assignments done in the timelines that your instructors have laid out for you. All right, so I hope this has helped clarify the different instructional methods that are being offered, and we look forward to seeing you again in the fall.